18 chief ministers, 18 deputy chief ministers, all from the NDA ruled states for an all-day CM conclave chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This power-packed meeting was not just a display of the NDA allies' strength, but also focused on some key concerns, with good governance at its heart. Operation Sindoor, caste enumeration, and the first anniversary of the Modi government in its third term figured as the key topics in this conclave. PM Modi addressed the CM conclave along with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP National President JP Nadda. The meeting passed a resolution proposed by Shiv Sena leader and Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde praising the valor of the armed forces.
2 रेजोल्यूशन हो गए और इसमें ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमारे भारतीय जवान, आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स और हमारे भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, इनका अभिनंदन किया है सभी लोगों ने, एनडीए के सरकार ने, कि ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कामयाब हो गया है.
Another issue that was brought up under discussion was that of Naxalism in Chhattisgarh.
छत्तीसगढ़ के मुख्यमंत्री ने कैसे नक्सलिज्म पर हम लोगों ने लड़ाई लड़ी है और किस तरीके से हम सफलता पा रहे हैं और हमें सफलता मिल रही है, सबके सामने उस विषय को रखा.
Chief ministers of 5 states including Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh made key presentations on good governance models from their states.
ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్ సక్సెస్ గురించి సంపూర్ణంగా మద్దతు పలుకుతూ ఒకటి ఆ రెజల్యూషన్, 2 కుల గణాంకాల మీద, క్యాస్ట్ ఎన్యూమరేషన్ మీద, దాని మీద కూడా ఎన్డీఏకి అందరితో ఎన్డీఏ కోసం మేమందరం మద్దతు పలుకుతాం.
The progress of the existing transformational schemes like Swachh Bharat, Ujjwala Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and Jal Jeevan Mission was reviewed.
The other topics that were also covered with that of the International Yoga Day. This is something that the Prime Minister has always emphasized upon with the benefits of yoga, and also the 50th anniversary of the imposition of emergency. That is also something that has been touched upon. And most definitely the anniversary, the first anniversary of the Modi government completing its third term is also something that was celebrated and discussed upon.
With camera person Arun Negi, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.